morning all. Today we are going to discuss what is a perimeter or how do we find a perimeter. A perimeter, which means that distance around a shape or a polygon, is called a perimeter. For example, if you have a polygon triangle, okay, how do we find the perimeter of the triangle? For that, we have to know that what is the length of each sides. For example, if I have a triangle with 4 centimeter on each side. Okay, so this is a triangle with 4 centimeter. So how do I find the perimeter of this triangle? To find the perimeter of the triangle, you are just adding all the sides of the shape. So how many sides you have? You know that in a triangle you will be having 3 sides. 1, 2 and 3. So just add all the sides to get the perimeter of the given shape. So to get the perimeter of this triangle, I just want to add all the sides. So I am just going to add 4 centimeter. Okay, which is the next side? Which is also 4 centimeter. So plus 4 centimeter. And what is the third side? That is also with 4 centimeter. So add next 4 centimeter. So to get the perimeter, you are just adding all the sides of the shape or polygon. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. What will you get? It will be 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 will be 12. So your answer will be 12 centimeter. So to find the perimeter of the triangle, you are just adding all the sides or whatever it is. If it is a rectangle, what about a rectangle? You are having another shape which is rectangle and the side which is given is 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Okay, so how do I find the perimeter of this rectangle? We are just adding all the sides. Okay, how many sides we have in a perimeter? Here it is given just 2 sides. Okay, in a rectangle, how many sides we are having? 1, 2, 3 and 4. But 2 sides are given. How do I find the next 2 sides? We know that in a rectangle, the opposite sides will be equal. So if this is 5 centimeter, the opposite side will be also 5 centimeter. So what about here? It is 3 centimeter. The opposite side also will be equal. So this is also, you can say that this will be also 3 centimeter. Then how do I find the perimeter of this rectangle? Perimeter you are just finding how? By adding all the sides. So add all the sides to get your answer. So 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus, here what is the side? Same as 5. So you can write here 5 and next is 3 centimeter. So add all the 4 sides of a rectangle. So 5 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter and one more side you have, that is also 3 centimeter. So add all the sides to get the perimeter, and what? 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 3 will be 16. So the perimeter of the rectangle will be 16 centimeter. The unit is important when you are finding the perimeter of the shape. You must show the unit which is given. Here it is centimeter, so you can write the same as in centimeter. So this is the form you are finding the perimeter of a given shape. Okay, next we are going to discuss how to find the perimeter of a square. And we know that a square means all sides will be equal. So here there is just one measurement of the side is given, which is 4 centimeter. As we know that all other sides will be equal in a square, which means other sides also will be equal to 4 centimeter. So how do I find the perimeter? Usually you will be adding all the sides of the square. Okay, So here if I am adding all the sides means 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, which means you are adding 4 times. Is it? Because you are having 4 equal sides in a square. So you can add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. You will be getting your answer is 16 centimeter. Or you can do in another way. If the sides are equal, just check how many sides you have. You have 4 sides, 4 equal sides. Is it? Yes. So you can choose the number of sides, multiply by the given length of one side. So here it is 4 centimeter. So take the number of sides, multiply by the length of one side. So what is 4 multiplied by 4? Which is equal to 16. And what is the unit of measurement? Which is here it's centimeter. So your answer will be in centimeter. So you are getting the same answer on both ways. Either you can add all the sides, or you can do one more thing. If the sides are equal, you can just find the number of sides, multiply by the length of one side. So what about the next shape which is given here is a regular hexagon. A regular hexagon. What is meant by a regular hexagon? Regular means equal, and hexagon means how many sides? It is 6-sided figure. So equally 6-sided figure. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides, and here the length is given, which is 3 centimeter. So how do I find the perimeter of this regular hexagon? Either you can add all the 6 sides. What will be the measurement here? It is 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter, again 3, 3 and 3, because it is a regular figure. Regular means equal sides. So either you can add all the 6 sides with 3 centimeter, 3 centimeter like that, or you can do another way what I said here. If the sides are equal, you can take just the number of sides. What is the number of sides here? The number of sides, which is 6, and what is the length of one side, which is 3 centimeter. So you can just multiply the number of sides by the length of one side. So what will you get? 6 times 3. What is 6 times 3? Which will be 18. And what is the unit of measurement, which is given here in centimeter? So your answer will be 18 centimeter. So this is the perimeter of a regular hexagon, with one side is equal to 3 centimeter. So this is the way you are finding a perimeter. Just add all the sides to get the perimeter of a shape. If the sides are equal, you can just multiply by the number of sides with the length of one side. Thank you for listening.